The flooring aisle at Home Depot runs about 40 feet. Somewhere in that 40 feet sits a plank selling for $1.99 with the same wear layer as floors that cost $5 a square foot. Nobody grabs it. People walk straight past it, pick up the famous box, and pay double for the same plastic. Installers see this every single day. They lay both floors for a living, and when it comes to their own houses, a lot of them buy cheap on purpose. So here are 5 cheap flooring brands almost everyone ignores, ranked with the receipts. And stay for number 1, because it's a 22 mil floor for under $2, and that math should not exist. One piece of context before the list, because it changes how you shop. Having vinyl plank professionally installed in America right now lands somewhere between $4.50 and $7 a square foot once labor is in. Labor costs what it costs. The material is the only part you control. Across 1,000 square feet, choosing a $2 plank over a $4 plank keeps roughly $2,000 in your pocket. Same rooms, same look from standing height. That gap is what this whole channel exists to find. Number 5. TrafficMaster. This is the brand flooring snobs dunk on. It sits at the front of Home Depot with prices that look like typos. Vinyl planks from around $1.29 a square foot, laminate under $1. And almost everyone scrolls past it online because cheap reads as junk. Here's what the box doesn't advertise. The company behind TrafficMaster's vinyl line is Halstead, out of Norwalk, Connecticut. Pull the warranty paperwork and the name is printed right there. Now go pull the warranty paperwork for LifeProof, the floor Home Depot actually advertises, the one everybody asks for by name. Same company, same Norwalk address. The famous floor and the ignored floor come from the same supplier, and one of them costs a lot less. Landlords figured this out ages ago. On Contractor Talk, a contractor forum that's been around longer than YouTube, installers described running TrafficMaster in rental units for years, and one put it simply: tough, hard to scratch, still looks like the day it went in. That's the resume. Now the honest part, because every floor on this list gets one. The wear layer runs 6 to 12 mil, and that's thin. This is a 5 to 10 year floor, not a forever floor. Rental unit, basement office, a flip you're selling in the spring. That's the job. For that job, at that price, nothing else comes close. Number 4. Home Decorators Collection. Another Home Depot house brand, and this one hides an actual test result. Their No Belford Oak laminate is 12 millimeters thick and rated AC4. That rating is the part worth remembering. A C ratings grade laminate by Traffic, and AC4 clears light commercial use, small shops, offices. Your hallway is a vacation for this floor. Price? About $2.70 a square foot. Consumer Reports put laminate flooring through lab testing, machines grinding away at samples, and this quiet house brand landed near the top of the entire field, ahead of boxes that cost twice as much. No commercials, no brand ambassadors. It just scored. The catch is the word waterproof, and this applies to every laminate on Earth, so listen closely. On a laminate box, waterproof means a surface spill you wipe up within a day or so. It does not mean a dishwasher line letting go while you are at work. The warranty fine print excludes standing water and moisture from below. Laminate for dry rooms, vinyl for wet ones. That one sentence will save you more money than any coupon. If you are the kind of person who flips the box over and reads the spec label before looking at the pretty picture on the front, subscribe, because that habit is the entire operating system of this channel. Number 3. CoreLuxe, and this one comes with a body count of a story. CoreLuxe is the vinyl plank line at Lumber Liquidators. Yes, that Lumber Liquidators. In 2015, 60 Minutes tested their Chinese-made laminate and found formaldehyde way over California's limits. $33 million in penalties, a settlement covering roughly 760,000 customers. The stock never really recovered. The name changed to LL Flooring. And in August 2024, the whole company went bankrupt and came within days of total liquidation. Then the original founder bought 219 stores back for about $40 million and turned the old name back on. So why is it on this list? Because a chain fighting for its life prices like it. CoreLuxe, rigid. Core starts around $1.39 a square foot, and the upper tiers carry 20 mil and 28 mil wear layers. 28 mil is heavy commercial territory on a clearance aisle budget. 2 warnings, and I mean both. The cheapest basic tier ships with no warranty at all. None. 0 pages, and any warranty here is a promise from a company that nearly stopped existing last year. So buy CoreLuxe on the spec in a room you can afford to redo someday. Never buy it on the promise. Number 2. SmartCore at Lowe's. This is where the industry's favorite trick falls apart in public. Go read a SmartCore Ultra product listing on Lowe's website. Read the whole product name. It says SmartCore Ultra by COREtec Floors. COREtec is the brand that invented rigid core vinyl plank back in 2012. Specialty flooring stores sell COREtec at premium prices, and it earns them. COREtec belongs to U.S. Floors. Shaw bought U.S. Floors in 2016, and Shaw is owned by Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company, so the budget house brand at Lowe's and the premium specialty brand trace back to the same building in Georgia. The store shelf just doesn't mention it, and once you see that pattern, you can't stop seeing it. Pergo, Quickstep, Karastan, Doll Tile, different aisles, different price tags, all owned by Mohawk, the biggest flooring company on the planet. Two giants out of Georgia own a huge share of the names in an American flooring store. Different logos for different wallets, same parents. As for the floor itself, skip the base SmartCore line. The 6 mil wear layer isn't worth it. The Ultra line runs 12 mil at around $3 a square foot, waterproof core, lifetime residential warranty, and reviewers who tested it keep reaching the same verdict. Not a premium floor, solid value for the money. It's the cheapest way to buy Shaw Engineering without paying for the word COREtec on the box. Number 1. NuCore at Floor & Decor, the spec monster. As of this week, Floor & Decor's own site lists NuCore rigid core starting at 99 cents a square foot and planks with wear layers over 20 mil starting at $1.99. Let me put that in context. 20 mil is the number premium vinyl brands print in bold on $5 floors. NuCore sells 22 mil for $2, and the field reports back it up. One flooring installer who has put NuCore into about a dozen homes since 2022 wrote that it competes head-on with LifeProof and beats SmartCore at the same price. His clients had a water heater fail on a NuCore performance floor. Water sat there for hours. The floor dried out with no swelling, no warping, no ruined edges. Specs can be printed. That story cannot. Two honest catches. First, Floor & Decor will not say who manufactures NuCore. I went looking. It is a private label from undisclosed factories, and that means quality can drift a little between production runs, so buy all your boxes from one batch. Second, skip the entry classic line. Its 12 mil face scratches up in busy hallways inside a year. The performance tier is the play, and it is still cheaper than the floors it embarrasses. So that's the part of the aisle nobody photographs for Instagram. A rental workhorse from the same supplier as the famous brand, a house brand laminate that outscored the big names in a lab, a bankruptcy survivor selling commercial specs at clearance prices, a Buffett-owned floor wearing a budget label, and a $2 plank with a 22 mil shell. Before you spend $4 or $5 a square foot, flip the box and check 3 things. Wear layer of 20 mil or better, rigid core, and who actually stands behind the warranty. The front of the box tells you the marketing budget. The back tells you the floor. Drop a comment with the flooring in your house right now, the brand, and how many years it's lasted. 1,000 real answers beat every commercial in this category. And subscribe before your next flooring trip, because next time we're opening the word waterproof, what that label legally promises, what the fine print takes away, and why one of the biggest names in this aisle is being looked at by lawyers over it. See you there.